burn the clutch, not careful. Can't see a thing. Ooh. Good morning, and a very frosty, cold morning it is as well. Just a quick one today. Me and Fred are going for a little bit of a ride. He's over here from Vienna, and yeah, we're have a quick ride out, a bit of off-road stuff, see what we can find. Interestingly, it's a good 6 months since we've been to, or more than that, actually, since we went to Morocco. Actually, it's the first time we've ridden together since. Yeah, quite strange, I think, actually. Not that we don't like each other, it still is a long way away. So, oh, it is cold. I can feel it on my nose now. Go visor down, I think. Visor down. Yeah, it's pretty brisk this morning, pretty crisp. But yeah, see what we can find in the way of off-road things to do. I've got to peel off early. My parents are going to visit, which is lovely. But I'll leave Fred to it after a bit and see how we go.
Have you got a heated bit?
Yes, they're lovely. Definitely recommend. Fred is sealed up. I didn't really need any. So there we go. I've actually ridden the bike in quite a while. Oh, my neck thing in my mouth. It's quite annoying. Yeah, that's better. Right, so we're fueled up. We're going to have a look at some trails now. Let's catch up with Fred. Oh, bus lanes, brilliant. You know, I might have to turn my heated grips down a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit on the warm side. I've had to turn my grips down, they were too warm.
I don't yet have that problem.
So just around the corner there is Ducati. I used to meet up with Alan for some of our advanced bike training. Would definitely recommend advanced training. The IAM advanced training is really good, really worthwhile. I'd recommend for any rider really, but particularly if you intend on riding a big bike or taking passengers or anything like that, it's really worth doing. I was paired up with Alan, who was brilliant, had a good laugh. A lot of these riders are ex-coppers. It's not all the stuffy and oh, I think I'll have to mind. Yeah, it's not like that. And are to the rules. It's more how to go fast, safe, which is great. So definitely recommend that. Anyway, back to the day out or morning out. I think I remember this trail from when we're on the old 650, so a little while ago now. Yeah, this is the one with the water crossing, if it's the one I remember correctly. Anyway, one of those where I think up the rocky hill is probably easier than coming down the way we did before, so we're doing it backwards this time. So, it should be fun.
So,
alright.
We've done this trail before on this bike, we're going the other way.
650, but I prefer this one, so it's alright.
Oh, you did it on the 650?
Yeah, a long time ago, isn't it?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. I
Yeah.
find it easier going the other way. I prefer to go uphill but down. So.
Yeah, I was just thinking that actually. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's been a long time since I've ridden in mud, I've got to say. Also, to note, first time off-roading on these tyres actually. So I had the old chunky Metzeler's on last time I rode this off-road. So let's see how these go, eh? Metzeler's were a bit weird, like tractor tyres almost. Quite strange. I've heard good things about these Pirellis, but never off-roaded them before today, on any bike actually. big bike. Little man. Shit, almost. Oh, I'm not parked. I can't get back onto my pegs now. Alright, need to get moving so I get back on the pegs. Ooh. Almost. Can't see a thing, I steamed up. Oh. Ah, it's on clutch now. Oh. Burn the clutch, be careful. Oh. Can't see a thing. We're getting stuck, aren't we? Oh, so far these tyres aren't do anything amazing, are they? Alright, so that one. Clutch is getting very hot. I can smell a lot of clutch.
Okay.
Dry clutch. And I'm at a point now where I've got over one rock by bouncing it, but I'm on another one and it's just spinning and spinning.
Okay, so yeah. I haven't done this in the West.
No worries. No, I never thought.
I've been quite surprised by it.
Yeah, last time it was like proper bone dry, wasn't it? Once you get up there, it's just a gravel path, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somewhere.
This bit up here is quite bouncy.
Yeah.
Quite tough.
I don't mind. My only concern is the clutch.
Yeah, well that's just it. If the clutch burns out, then you're here for a long time.
If I can get onto the left hand side, I might be alright.
Okay.
Or all left. Huh.
I'll give you a bit of a shove and I'll see what happens.
Okay, look. At least I won't roll backwards. I'm still stuck.
No?
I'm not rolling backwards either. I'm just in a nice little dip.
Okay.
So, right out. Sorry about the mud. Ah, there we go. Thank you. Ah, trying to slip the clutch too much. Oh, come on. Ah, come on. One little bug, get there. Oh. Well, I'm not stuck.
But
I just thought I'd knock in neutral to let the clutch cool down.
I can really smell it.
Yeah, exactly. Is it better up where you are?
No, it gets slightly better where the other guys are.
That's what I was thinking. If I can get to there, this is a lot better than that was.
Yeah?
I think so, yeah.
Well, by all means, give it a go. And if you get going, then by all means, just keep going. I can meet you at the end of the trail if you get some momentum up and you want to keep it.
I was sorry to say, we don't want to burn the clutch out.
You don't want to burn the clutch out, and you don't want to break yourself or the bike either.
To me, it feels easy going that way than going back that way if the clutch doesn't burn.
That's it. Pick your line. I would say, yeah, go on the left-hand side. Maybe when you get to that little ridgy bit, to the left. Even if you're going into leaves are probably better than big rocks.
Yes.
And then just kind of curve your way around, and it should start getting easier again.
Yes.
See how it goes.
Okay, look. Right, off the clutch. That's good. Right, good bike. Oh, excellent. Whew. Right, come on clutch, don't burn out now. Oh, come on. No grip at all on these tyres. Ah, come on. Come on, little bike. You can do this. You're trying to balance not burning it, but then just you think, oh, I think I'm off the clutch now. You're not.
Seems to me like whenever you hit some sort of obstacle, your revs drop massively, and if you haven't got high revs, they've got nowhere to drop to. So
yeah, it's true. Normally, the thing is with this, because you've got a dry clutch, it's sort of that thing of you're not able to keep the revs up and then modulate like a trials bike.
Yeah.
You've got to get the speed up and let the momentum carry you, and if the revs dip briefly, the idea is the momentum will carry it, but you got to get that momentum first.
Well, it's relatively smooth up that little bit there.
Yeah.
So maybe get some momentum there to carry on around the right hand side.
Just keep on going.
Just keep going. Don't worry about me. You just
I don't.
do what you do. Go
All
on,
good. You can do. All right. Woohoo. Whoa. I'm just glad I didn't drop it then, actually. There we go. Well, that's hopefully the main rocky bit out the way. That was a bit much for me on a big old dry clutch bike, I've got to say. Got through it, and I seem to have drive, so I think I've lost my clutch. But I'm a bit concerned that I've done some damage, or at least put a lot of wear on it that I didn't need to. So maybe that should have been a bit more sensible and turn round. But you know, we're here now. Hopefully no more rocky bits like that. But that was good fun. Sorry bike, I do apologise for burning your clutch up a bit there, but we got through it. Oh, this is a bit horrible, isn't it? Good reason to row a helmet off-road and nothing else is to stop things poking your eyes out. Definitely lose an ear to those things. My throttle control definitely needs a lot of work. That's why I was struggling with the stalling, trying to give it too much throttle where it would just spin or burn the clutch, more to the point, but then I wouldn't give it enough. But it felt like there wasn't a lot of modulation. I think it's not in the throttle, in my right hand basically. I need to have better control so that I can more gently oh, not this thing again. Hey Cardo, radio off. Don't know why the Cardo system does that. Seems obsessed with me wanting to have some FM stations on. Ooh. I hear Fred right up behind me. Don't want to hold him up. I know he wants to enjoy his trails while he's in the UK. But we're getting somewhere now anyway. Thank you, screen, for pushing that tree out of the way for me. Trying to remember what they taught us on the ABR Festival BMW excursion. That was good actually, that was. Really enjoyed that. They wouldn't let us take cameras, but never mind. Really good fun. I'm sure this trail wasn't this long last year. It certainly looked different because it was height of summer. Good bike. Good bike. Oh.
How was that?
Alright, well that was a bit of fun. Nice, not quite burn the clutch out. Obviously be a bit careful with that. Did stink a bit. I could look at another trail maybe, although if I keep it on the time, it's almost 11:30 now. That clock is hasn't been put back for the winter. And oh, some bird of prey type over there. Oh, dive bombing something over there. My parents are coming, so I should probably get back. Probably buy me a day, to be honest. I might have to back out of this one. But we'll see how we go. See how it looks, and might be the wisest thing to do it another time. But good to not miss Fred anyway. they don't know I've got a warm clutch, isn't it? The tree's pretty horrible. Guess that wasn't the trail. Just a little shortcut. Yeah, nice there. Right there.
Does this one ring any bells for you?
Not sure it does actually. I'm just thinking of the time. It's almost half past.
All right, okay.
If you don't mind, I think I might better off
Yeah, sure.
return if that's all right.
Absolutely fine.
Yeah, but so I'll knock that off. But yeah, thank you for the
No.
for the ride.
I have to say, I'm really impressed at how you dealt with the with that trail, because
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
I was not expecting it to be as bad as that.
The clutch isn't impressed.
I would not, like, I don't think I would have ridden that bike up there.
Hmm.
If I knew it was going to be like that, and yeah.
If I'd known the clutch would stink so much, I wouldn't have done it. I can still smell it, sort of, but then it's just hot, so
It's just hot.
yeah. I'll ride it home and never use the clutch.
Yeah, just dip it all in, just with the revs.
Yeah. Righto. All right, thank you again. And all right, I'll.
Good to see you.
Yes. Right. Well, that was a fun little jaunt. Yeah, it was good fun. Gonna nip home now because my parents are on the way, so I'm gonna take a scenic route back and trying to burn this clutch out. There we go. Gently on the clutch. All right. So I'm gonna take a scenic route back and then catch you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.